Have you ever been on a ferry? They are big. Ferries are like floating cities carrying people, cars, and even trucks across vast stretches of water. They are a marvel of engineering, designed to withstand the harsh conditions of the sea while providing comfort and safety to their passengers. Imagine standing on the deck, feeling the salty breeze on your face and watching the waves crash against the hull. It's an experience like no other. They are metal. They float. Amazing, right? These massive vessels are constructed from strong, durable materials like steel and aluminum, ensuring they can handle the weight and pressure of the ocean. The science behind their buoyancy is fascinating. Despite their enormous size and weight, they stay afloat due to the principles of displacement and buoyancy. It's a delicate balance that allows these giants to glide gracefully across the water. But some companies are better at ferries than others. The ferry industry is competitive, with numerous companies vying for dominance. Each company strives to offer the best service, the most comfortable accommodations, and the most efficient routes. Some companies have managed to stand out from the rest, earning a reputation for excellence and reliability. They invest in the latest technology and continuously improve their fleets to stay ahead of the competition. Stena Line, now they are kings of the sea. Stena Line has established itself as a leader in the ferry industry, known for its extensive network of routes and top-notch service. Their ferries are equipped with modern amenities, ensuring a pleasant journey for all passengers. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, Stena Line offers a reliable and enjoyable experience. They've got loads of ships. They go everywhere, from Sweden to Poland. Stena Line's fleet is impressive, with a wide range of vessels catering to different needs. Their routes connect major cities and regions, making it easy for travelers to reach their destinations. The journey from Sweden to Poland, for example, is a popular route, offering stunning views of the Baltic Sea and a convenient travel option for both tourists and locals. From the Netherlands to the UK. Another key route in Stena Line's network is the crossing from the Netherlands to the UK. This route is vital for trade and tourism, providing a crucial link between mainland Europe and the British Isles. The ferries on this route are designed to handle heavy traffic, ensuring a smooth and efficient crossing for all passengers and cargo. They even go to Latvia. How about that? Stena Line's reach extends even further, with routes connecting to Latvia and other destinations in the Baltic region. This expansion has opened up new opportunities for travel and commerce, making it easier for people to explore different parts of Europe. The company's commitment to growth and innovation has solidified its position as a dominant player in the ferry industry. Let's find out how they got so big. The story of Stena Line's rise to prominence is one of vision, determination, and strategic planning. From humble beginnings, the company has grown into a global powerhouse, thanks to its focus on customer satisfaction and continuous improvement. By understanding the needs of travelers and adapting to changing market conditions, Stena Line has managed to stay ahead of the curve. Stena Line is a Swedish company. Based in Gothenburg, Sweden, Stena Line has strong roots in the maritime industry. The company's Swedish heritage is reflected in its commitment to quality and innovation, values that have driven its success over the years. With a focus on sustainability and environmental responsibility, Stena Line continues to set new standards in the ferry industry. They started in 1962. The journey began in 1962 when Sten A. Olsen founded the company with a vision to revolutionize sea travel. His innovative ideas and entrepreneurial spirit laid the foundation for what would become one of the world's leading ferry operators. Over the decades, Stena Line has expanded its fleet and routes, always staying true to its core values of safety, reliability, and customer satisfaction. A man named Sten A. Olsen had a great idea. Sten A. Olsen's vision was to make sea travel accessible and affordable for everyone. He recognized the potential of ferries to connect people and places, and he set out to create a company that would offer high-quality service at competitive prices. His leadership and foresight were instrumental in shaping the future of Stena Line. He wanted to make traveling by sea easier and cheaper. Olsen's goal was to provide a convenient and cost-effective alternative to other modes of transportation. By focusing on efficiency and customer satisfaction, He was able to attract a loyal customer base and drive the company's growth. Today, Stena Line continues to uphold his legacy by offering affordable and reliable ferry services to millions of passengers each year. He started with one ship, then he got more. The company's growth was steady and strategic, with Olsen carefully selecting new routes and expanding the fleet to meet increasing demand. Each new ship added to the fleet brought new opportunities for growth and innovation, allowing Stena Line to reach more destinations and serve more passengers. He bought other companies too. In addition to expanding its own fleet, Stena Line also acquired other ferry operators, further strengthening its position in the market. These acquisitions allowed the company to integrate new routes and services, enhancing its overall offering and providing even more options for travelers. Soon, Stena Line was huge. Today, Stena Line is a global leader in the ferry industry, with a vast network of routes connecting major cities and regions across Europe. The company's success is a testament to its commitment to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction. As Stena Line continues to grow and evolve, it remains dedicated to providing the best possible travel experience for its passengers. Stena Olsen was a clever man. He started a company in 1939. It was called Stena Olsen Metal Productor. Catchy, right? They scrapped metal. Olsen made a lot of money, but he wanted a new challenge. He saw a chance in ferries. In 1962, Olsen bought a ferry line. It traveled between Sweden and Denmark. He called it Stena Line. It was very successful. Olsen was a good businessman. He knew people wanted cheap travel. He also knew they wanted to take their cars on holiday. Ferries were the answer. Stena Line was different from other ferry companies. They used computers. Yes, computers. In the 1970s, this was very new. Stena Line used computers for booking tickets. This made things faster and easier for customers. No more waiting in line for hours. Just click, 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 and you're on your way. Stena Line was also one of the first companies to offer drive-through check-in. This meant you could drive your car right onto the ferry. No need to park and carry your bags. Clever, eh? Stena Line was growing fast. Olsen wanted to be the biggest ferry company in Europe, so he started buying other companies. In 1981, they bought Sessan-Lingen. This gave them more routes in Sweden. They also started routes to the UK. They bought a company called Sea Link. This gave them even more routes. Stena Line was unstoppable. They bought companies in Denmark, Germany, and Poland. They even bought a company in Australia, but they sold that one later. Too far away, probably. Section 5. From the North Sea to the Irish Sea. Key routes and vessels. Stena Line sails on lots of routes. They have a vast network that connects various parts of Europe, making travel convenient and efficient for both passengers and freight. Their routes are meticulously planned to ensure maximum coverage and efficiency. One of their busiest routes is between Harwich in the UK and Hoek van Holland in the Netherlands. This route is particularly popular due to its strategic location, connecting the UK with mainland Europe. The journey is not only scenic but also offers a comfortable and enjoyable experience for travelers. They also have a popular route between Fishguard in Wales and Rosslare in Ireland. This route is a favorite among tourists and locals alike, providing a vital link between the two countries. The ferry service is known for its reliability and excellent customer service. And let's not forget about their routes in Scandinavia. Stena Line operates several routes in this region, connecting countries like Sweden, Denmark, and Norway. These routes are essential for both tourism and trade, offering stunning views of the Scandinavian coastline. Stena Line has lots of ships. They have big ones, designed to carry a large number of passengers and vehicles, ensuring that everyone can travel comfortably. These ships are equipped with modern amenities to make the journey as pleasant as possible. Small ones, perfect for shorter routes and quick trips. These smaller vessels are nimble and can navigate through tighter spaces, making them ideal for certain routes. They are also faster, allowing for quicker travel times. One of their most famous ships is the Stena Hollandica. It's massive. This ship is a marvel of modern engineering, offering a range of facilities and services to ensure a luxurious travel experience. From comfortable cabins to fine dining, the Stena Hollandica has it all. It can carry over 1,000 passengers and their cars. This capacity makes it one of the largest ferries in operation, capable of handling a significant amount of traffic. The boarding process is smooth and efficient, ensuring that passengers can start their journey without any hassle. That's a lot of luggage. The ship's design ensures that there is ample space for all the passengers' belongings, making it convenient for those traveling with a lot of luggage. The crew is always ready to assist with loading and unloading, ensuring a seamless experience for everyone. Section 6, High-Speed Sailing, the HSS Revolution. In the 1990s, Stena Line did something amazing. They embarked on a groundbreaking project that would change the face of maritime travel forever. This wasn't just any ordinary shipbuilding endeavor, it was a bold step into the future of high-speed sea travel. They built the biggest high-speed ferries in the world. These ferries were not only massive in size, but also in ambition. They represented a leap in technology and design, aiming to provide faster and more efficient travel across the seas. They were called HSS ferries. The name itself became synonymous with innovation and speed in maritime travel. HSS stands for High-Speed Sea Service. Clever, right? This name perfectly encapsulated the essence of what these ferries were all about, providing high-speed service across the sea. These ferries were like giant catamarans. Their design was revolutionary, featuring twin hulls that provided greater stability and speed. They had 2 hulls instead of 1. This catamaran design was a game-changer, allowing the ferries to cut through the water with minimal resistance. This made them very stable and very fast. The twin hulls not only provided stability but also allowed the ferries to achieve remarkable speeds. The HSS ferries could travel at speeds of up to 40 knots. To put that into perspective, that's about 46 miles per hour or 74 kilometers per hour. That's really fast for a ship. Most conventional ferries couldn't even dream of reaching such speeds. They were used on routes between the UK and Ireland. These routes were strategically chosen to maximize the benefits of high-speed travel. They could cross the Irish Sea in less than 2 hours. This was a significant improvement over traditional ferries, which took much longer to make the same journey. That's faster than a car. Well, most cars anyway. Imagine being able to travel across the sea faster than you could drive on land. It was a marvel of engineering and a testament to human ingenuity. Section 7, COVID-19 strikes rough seas for Stena Line. In 2020, the world changed. COVID-19 arrived. It was a disaster for the travel industry. Nobody was traveling, and that meant nobody was taking ferries. Stena Line had to adapt. They reduced the number of sailings. They also introduced strict hygiene measures. It was a tough time for Stena Line, but they survived. And as the world started to recover, so did Stena Line. People started traveling again, and they needed ferries. Section 8, Joining Forces, Stena Line's Joint Ventures. Stena Line is always looking for new opportunities. In recent years, they have formed joint ventures with other companies. In 2018, they formed a joint venture with Brittany Ferries. This created the largest ferry network in the English Channel. They also have a joint venture with DFDS Seaways. This gives them a strong presence in the North Sea. These joint ventures allow Stena Line to share costs and resources. This makes them more efficient and more profitable. Section 9, The Future of Ferry Travel. Stena Line's vision. What does the future hold for Stena Line? They are investing in new technologies. They are also committed to sustainability. They are exploring the use of alternative fuels, such as batteries and hydrogen. They want to reduce their environmental impact. Stena Line is also looking to expand into new markets. They are interested in Asia and South America. They want to be the world's leading ferry company. And with their track record of innovation and expansion, they just might do it.